Most people never open Android's secret dialer menu, not because it's useless, but because they don't know when it actually matters. This hidden menu isn't something you use every day, but in the right situation, it can explain phone problems that normally feel random and confusing. In this video, I'll show you the exact situations where this secret menu becomes extremely useful, and why knowing it can save you a lot of frustration. Let's start with the first situation. When your mobile signal suddenly becomes weak or unstable. You know the feeling. One moment you have bars, the next moment your calls drop or data slows down. Most people just blame the carrier or restart their phone. But inside the secret dialer menu, you can see what's really happening. It shows real signal strength numbers, not just bars. It tells you what network type you're connected to, LTE, 4G, or something else, and whether your phone is actively communicating with the network. So instead of guessing, you can understand if the problem is signal quality, network switching, or coverage itself. Now the second situation. When mobile data looks connected, but nothing loads. The icon says you're online, but apps won't refresh, websites won't open, and messages get stuck. This is where the secret menu becomes very revealing. Inside it, you can check whether your phone is actually registered to the data network, or if it's just showing a fake connection. Sometimes the phone displays a signal, but the network session isn't truly active. The menu helps you confirm that instantly. The third situation is about battery problems. When your battery suddenly drains faster than usual. Most battery screens only show percentages. They don't explain why the drain is happening, but the secret menu shows battery temperature, charging state, voltage, and whether your phone is under abnormal power conditions. If your phone feels warm, charges slowly, or drains overnight. This menu helps you understand what's going on behind the scenes. Now the fourth situation. After switching SIM cards, changing carriers, or updating your phone system. Sometimes after these changes, phones behave strangely, no signal, unstable data, or delayed connections. The secret dialer menu lets you confirm whether your phone is properly registered to the network, and whether the SIM is being recognized correctly. It's a quick way to verify that everything is actually set up the way it should be. One important reminder: this menu is not meant for random tweaking. It's a diagnostic tool, not a playground. You should use it to understand what your phone is doing, not to change advanced settings unless you know exactly what you're doing. The good news? No apps are required, no downloads. Everything is already built into your phone. Once you know when to use this secret menu, many phone problems suddenly make a lot more sense. And if you want more hidden phone features explained clearly, without confusion or hype, you'll find more videos like this right here on this channel. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.